Hello guys, what's poppin' here? Today we are solving question rotate array by 1. We are given an array and we are required to rotate it by one position in clockwise direction. In the given example, if we start the rotation, we start moving towards the left and it follows the set pattern. That is the same in the next example also. Now while coding this, we first define a if condition so that when the array is smaller than or equal to 1, we just return the array as it is, because we even after shifting to the right it will still stay the same. So after that we are initializing a temporary variable called last and we are assigning the element in the array index of -1, that is the last value, and then we are initializing a for loop to traverse through the entire array, and then this range of -1, 0 and -1 is called start, stop and step. So this will start traversing the array from the end with step count of -1. So and then we are assigning value to the current index as the previous index, that is so that we can rotate it to the left, and then for the first element we are assigning the last value that is stored in the variable last. Then we return the array. We don't have to write it specifically because we are returning it inside the if statement previously, so it will still run. Let us see. Yeah, so the given test case is passing when we submit it. All the test cases have been successfully passed. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.